HICM Institute for Certified Investment Banking course, I have learned about capital market business like equities, derivatives, bonds, debentures, and banking and financial system as well. Apart from that, fund accounting chapters have also been taught to us like NAV calculation, NAV errors, reconciliation, front office, middle office, and back office operational work. In financial modeling, I have learned about ratio analysis, option, and IPO pricing model. The teachers here are really friendly and very approachable. They make sure that the students know what they're teaching and also help if they have any doubts. I really recommend this course to other students as well who are looking to make their career in investment banking and fund accounting domain.